हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड वंस अगेन बाय टू ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट एफपीएल मैनेजर्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम, फॉर्मर चैंपियन राहुल भाटिया एंड फ्यूचर चैंपियन मनन छिपर। क्या हाल है दोस्तों?
But I
Manan,
have
I'll let you take the lead.
आई एम वेरी श्योर कि मनन इज विनिंग इट दिस सीजन पर्सनली। भाटिया साहब,
I
आई
hope
थिंक यू
so.
आल्सो एग्री।
I hope so.
Completely agree
At
with you.
least मतलब वो होता है ना कि एक आधा सीजन ही चाहिए मेरे को, बाकी तो आप लोग दोनों हर एक सीजन ले जाते हो मेरे से, तो आई जस्ट होप कि ये वो
कैन
सीजन
यू
हो.
सेंस द एरोगेंस इन हिज वॉइस भाटिया साहब? कैन यू सेंस द एरोगेंस कि हाँ, मुझे
You,
पता ही है मैं सही करने वाला हूँ इस सीजन।
आपको पता है ना
एक
एरोगेंस
वीक
कहाँ से
अच्छा है,
आया?
एक
नहीं,
गैक्पो ने मार
आपको
दिया और
पता है ना
दूसरा
एरोगेंस कहाँ से आया?
भाटिया साहब don't go
लास्ट
there.
वीक में कॉन्सर्ट में किसी को मिला था ये एरोगेंस कहाँ से, आप समझ जाओगे।
I said भाटिया साहब don't go there. We are
Oh
making
my
it
God.
personal now.
I
No,
didn't
but
take any names.
but on a serious note, it's exciting. यार double game week आ गया है finally, the first double game week of the season. काफी वॉल्यूम में चिप्स एक्टिवेट हो रहे हैं. विल डिस्कस एवरीथिंग, बट इट्स गुड टू हैव द फर्स्ट डबल गेम वीक.
या आई थिंक विल डिस्कस कि हमारे कौन से पिक्स हैं, कौन सी चिप्स वगैरह हम एक्टिवेट करना चाह रहे हैं. बट बिफोर वी बिगिन, मनन, आई थिंक कुछ कहना चाहते हैं हम लोगों से.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, just like again, just a small like and subscribe plug. I think that is what you were talking about, Rakshit. Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just yeah, guys, थोड़ा सा support कीजिए, like और subscribe करिए. We come to this channel every week, twice. Deadline stream भी करते हैं हम, तो again, just show us a little support by sharing and liking the video, and do subscribe if you haven't already.
बिल्कुल, जितना आप लाइक करेंगे आई एम गारंटिंग यू उतनी ही आपकी रैंक इंप्रूव होगी. ये मेरी गारंटी.
Oh, 100%.
मेरी गारंटी.
That's the secret of my success. And that is why
जैसे
Bhatia Saab is not doing well.
बिल्कुल इनविंसिबल मनन हमेशा रैंक हमारी स्ट्रीम लाइक करते
Yeah.
हैं, हमारे वीडियोस लाइक करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज
Yeah.
फर्स्ट इन द
Yeah.
ऑन टॉप ऑफ द एफपीएल गपशप मिनी लीग विद अ मैसिव स्कोर ऑफ 1574.
Yeah.
मनन, आई कांट सी योर नेम इन द टॉप 10 एंड यू आर ऑन अ गुड
Cool.
रैंक. मतलब हमारे गपशप मेंबर बहुत सही कर रहे हैं, बेटर देन
Yeah.
अस. इट्स लाइक
I
अ
am
वेरी
22 in the league. Imagine now. With
वाओ,
a 100K almost, I am 22 in the league. So
एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट
people are
ब्रिलियंट.
smashing.
आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं मिनी लीग.
Yeah.
कोड आपको मिल जाएगा नीचे बार में, देख सकते हैं, और वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एज वेल. Okay, let's go to the points. One section I'm not looking forward to at all, mostly because of Manan. So Manan, 72 points. Cody Gakpo coming good for you.
Yeah, I think this was the week जो मतलब मेरे को डबल से ज्यादा उम्मीद इस वाले वीक में थी कि वो he'll come through for me, because I think best fixture type switch for the Liverpool attack. I made two transfers. I brought in Gakpo for Jackson and I brought in Trent for, I think, Colville. And I think both those transfers worked really well. दोनों ने return दिया. Gakpo with a solid 16 pointer. Overall, Baki team was okay. Nothing much. I expected Wood to blank and he blanked. So again, defense was good. Gabriel 7 points, Trent 5 points, and Munoz 4 points. Yeah, really
Okay.
happy with the team.
Are you slightly disappointed with the captaincy because there is a decent swing Isak और साला के बीच में?
Actually, no, because I think हमने last pod पे भी discuss किया था कि again to beat Salah, Isak would need to, let's say, उनके returns double या at least triple होने चाहिए. At least if Salah gets double, then Isak, तो हमेशा उनको एक ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा. तो I didn't imagine कि ना 4 goal उसमें Salah only getting 1 goal sort of. I think that is the something जो मैंने नहीं सोचा था. But again, those who went for Isak captaincy, congrats. I think it was a little bit of a brave call, I feel. Yeah.
Good. But yes, 63 points, solid but not spectacular game week for you.
Small green arrow, very average game week, I would say. And my disappointment was I was supposed, जो ये हफ्ते मैंने transfers की आगे बात करेंगे, I was supposed to do them the previous week, but unfortunately I did not do them for one reason, because Gordon का Southampton fixture था और उसके पहले मुझे नहीं निकालना था, and that turned out to be like at least a swing of 20 points minimum, which is disappointing. I had the moves in place but ended up rolling the transfer. João Pedro, as usual, did nothing. Salah disappointing with only one return in a 4-goal game. Happy with Mbuemo. Missed a penalty, got a Riba chance to take it again. Should have had a little more points from Mbuemo as well, but theek hai. And overall, nothing spectacular, like you said. But I'll take a small green arrow when rolling a transfer. That's all right.
Yeah, you'll certainly take it because you did way better than me. Pathetic score 53. It was almost close to a disaster मेरे लिए तो, because एक तो मेरे पास कोडी गैक्पो नहीं था, of course, who absolutely exploded. I'm sort of stuck with double Liverpool defense, which was compounded. My agony was compounded by that late Greaves goal. और एब्सोल्युटली नीडलेस गोल, डबल क्लीन शीट बहुत हेल्प करता है मेरे को, स्पेशली बिकॉज आर्सेनल केप्ट अ क्लीन शीट. आई डोंट हैव एन आर्सेनल डिफेंडर,
Yeah.
सो मैंने टिम्बर बेच के ट्रेंट लाया था. इन द एंड बोथ गॉट लाइक सेम पॉइंट्स, बट गेब्रियल गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स, राया गॉट लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स. सो वो क्लीन शीट वाइप आउट ने ऑलरेडी मतलब इट वाइप द स्माइल ऑफ माई फेस. उसके अलावा
The smug of your face.
yeah, Justin Kluivert, I'm happy. So I'm happy with my transfers. Okay, I got in Kluivert and I got in Trent, right? So I'm happy कि मेरे transfers सही थे.
Yeah.
But Kluivert was on the bench. I did not expect that scoreline. मतलब I would not have been surprised अगर जीत जाती Bournemouth. But my God, 5 goals, 13 point
Yeah.
haul, could have been more. Utara scoring hat trick, Semenyo scoring. My God, that was spectacular from Bournemouth. आगे हम बात कर सकते हैं. But I benched him. Rodgers और क्लाइवर्ट में बहुत ही बड़ा स्विंग था. बट मेन पेन केम फ्रॉम माई फ्रंट लाइन. विसा माटेटा वाला मैच वॉज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. 2-1 नथिंग फॉर बोथ. Happy owning both going forward. It's just one of those weeks जहाँ पे nothing clicked for me, and the other alternatives did pretty well. Gordon with an assist, Isak, Salah जैसा आपने mention किया. So fine, I'm fine with it. Let the double come, और उसके बाद maybe we can assess कि whether the decisions were right or wrong. Manan, I think डबल गेम वीक का चर्चा शुरू होती है by looking at the projected goals and clean sheet odds. इसमें I don't think we have the Everton Liverpool match. We have bottom
We
में
have
है.
them at the bottom.
बट उसके अलावा वी कैन सी कि कौन सी टीम्स एक्सपेक्टेड है कि कितने गोल स्कोर करेंगी इस वीक, और कौन सी टीम एक्सपेक्टेड है कि कितने क्लीन शीट के चांसेस हैं. सो मैंने लेट मी स्टार्ट विद यू. लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द डबल फर्स्टली, लुकिंग एट एवर्टन एंड लिवरपूल फिक्सचर्स. What sort of a investment should you look at in terms of, let's say, 3 Liverpool? Should people go for assistant manager? How many Everton players should people punt on? What's your general feeling about the double?
Yeah, so again, in terms of, let's say, chip strategy, I think we have covered it अच्छे से in the pod. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो go visit that. उसमें आपको थोड़ा सा better हमारी thinking with respect to क्या हम करना चाहते हैं in the doubles and chip strategy. Again, coming to the game week 24, I have already used my triple captaincy in game week 9 or 10, I think, on Haaland. So I'm not looking to play any chip, but again, considering अब और दो ही double आएंगे इसके बाद, and confirm double, and we have a lot of chips to play, right? So I think if you have a triple captaincy sort of a chip, I prefer that, again, because I feel assistant manager chip is the most powerful chip, and I think later part of the season accordingly, जैसे अगर आपको रैंक चेस करनी है आप उसके हिसाब से खेल सकते हैं, अगर आपको रैंक सेव करनी है आप उसके हिसाब से खेल सकते हो, right? There are other things to that come into play. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है, let's say if you have a triple captaincy chip, I think Mo Salah is the standout player. जहां पे आप देख सकते हो लिवरपूल हैड व्हाट इन टोटल ऑफ 4.3 sort of goals के projections. Again, 4 goals, you'd expect Mo to get at least couple of returns. Even if he gets one return, let's say 1 clean sheet, 2 bonus, he gets like a 10 pointer, 11 pointer, जो मेरे हिसाब से are more than enough. मतलब at least they are sufficient for a triple captaincy haul. तो I would say कि a triple captaincy on Mo Salah appeals to me. I am more bullish on the Bournemouth match. मुझे ऐसा लगता है उसमें ज्यादा अच्छा चांस है लिवरपूल का टू स्कोर मोर गोल्स देन द एवर्टन मैच, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा ओपन मैच होगा. अदर देन दैट, आई थिंक क्लीन शीट वाइज आई स्टिल फील एवर्टन मैच इज द वन जहां पे क्लीन शीट आ सकती है. हमारे प्रेडिक्शंस हम देखेंगे लेटर, बट आई स्टिल फील डबल लिवरपूल डिफेंस इज द वे. गैक्पो कल 90 मिनट्स खेला आई थिंक, तो बीइंग अ गैक्पो ओनर
50 minutes subbed off at 50.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
fair,
subbed
fair.
off at 50.
Then I think then, and also he was given the choice, by the way, and he opted to start. He was given the choice to get rested as
Former
well
club.
for the
Yeah,
but he wanted to play against his former club. So I think but I like the double Liverpool defense structure जो आपके पास है from a Liverpool point of view.
Bhatia sahab, your take. You have your triple captaincy. I have my triple captaincy. Are you using it on Salah?
I am 90% going to use it. जो slim chance है Fulham Spurs 25 में आने का may get announced tomorrow Saturday. अगर हुआ तो I might play the assistant manager. I have kept my options open फिलहाल, but अगर नहीं हुआ तो 90-95% I'll put the triple captaincy on Mo. I'm not very bullish because the fixtures are not straightforward. Easier fixtures हो सकते थे double में, but then आगे अगर इसके बाद सिर्फ 2 ही double हो रहे हैं and we have at least 3 or 4 more chips that we want to use, so I think it makes sense to just take a chance and hope to get lucky basically. So triple captain, I would say, is still a decent choice regardless of the fixtures. Like Manan said, 1 goal with bonus also, it's easily 12-13 pointer over 2 games, and that is perfectly fine. और एक्चुअली मुझे लग रहा है बोर्नमथ वाला गेम काफी हाई स्कोरिंग हो सकता है. इट कुड बी एंड टू एंड और काफी गोल्स हो सकते हैं उसमें. एंड सेकेंडली, यू एक्सपेक्ट द मर्सीसाइड डर्बी टू बी केजी, बट देन इफ लिवरपूल स्कोर इन द फर्स्ट 10-20 minutes, I'd not be surprised if they ended up scoring 2 or 3 in that game as well. तो हो सकता है. This is the positive scenario. Negative scenario is Bournemouth beats Liverpool 2-1. Everton Liverpool could easily be a 0-0 and Mo comes away with nothing. ये भी हो सकता है. But then you have to take your chances when it's a two game opportunity.
Yeah, I was speaking to Manan earlier this week, और मैं भी बहुत bullish नहीं about the double, but he mentioned कि 1 Salah goal and it's like an 11 pointer, right? अगर वो कुछ भी नहीं करता, even with like let's say 2 bonus. And I've been on the fence. देखो, मैं इधर कैप्टन करूँगा साला या ट्रिपल कैप्टन करूँगा. There is no third way to go about it. I explored Trent, all the other options, but कोई worth it नहीं है. I still feel Liverpool will score like minimum 4 goals over the 2 matches.
Yeah.
इतना तो है मेरे लिए. आई थिंक क्लिंचर प्रॉब्ली है कि जो पूरा लिवरपूल स्क्वाड को जो रेस्ट मिला है, अगर वो PSV एंडोवन जाते, इट वुड बीन लाइक ट्रैवल करके जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कि फटीग हो जाता. तो ऑलमोस्ट द इंटायर फर्स्ट टीम वाज रेस्टेड एंड डिड नॉट इवन ट्रैवल. सो दैट टेल्स मी कि हाँ भाई, मतलब फुल्ली फोकस्ड ऑन द लीग है. एंड मुझे लगता है कि लिवरपूल नो द चैलेंज, उनको जो मिलने वाला है बोर्नमथ के अगेंस्ट, दे नो व्हाट्स कमिंग. सो देयर इज, इट्स नॉट गोना बी लाइक अ शॉक टू देम जब बोर्नमथ अच्छा खेलेगी. But I think they'll be ready for it. They are मेरे हिसाब से the best team in the league, and Mo Salah is their best player. So मैं तो 90% once again Mo Salah triple captaincy सोच ही रहा हूँ अपने लिए. Again the only possibility, जैसे भाटिया साहब ने बोला, कि अगर कोई स्पर्स वाला डबल आ जाए फॉर एग्जांपल इन 25. बट हाँ, अभी तक मैंने ट्रिपल कैप्टनसी चिप अपनी यूज़ नहीं करी है. सो लेट्स सी. एवर्टन मुझे लगता है इज अ ट्रैप. इट्स अ प्रॉपर ट्रैप, क्योंकि मैं तो लेस्टर मैच में भी इतना बुलिश नहीं हूँ. I think I feel Everton might get the win, but I'm not very sure of a clean sheet for them. And Liverpool against, I don't think they're getting a clean sheet. Pickford is probably the only viable option. मेरे को तो Iliman Ndiaye का scope थोड़ा better लग रहा है, to be honest, as compared to all these defensive assets also. I have a feeling Everton might concede in both, but let's see. But मुझे लगता है कि go all 3 Liverpool and Everton में maybe, मतलब if you have an option, probably go for the keeper. If you want to take a punt, you can go for NDI, but उसके ऊपर मुझे लगता है कोई investment worth it नहीं, in my opinion.
I personally still feel आप Mykolenko ला सकते हो, because again if you from now till the end of this at least till game week 29, Everton का game week 29 में confirm fixture है. He's someone you can hide on the bench and he's very cheap, let's say. And again majority of people have, let's say, an Arsenal defender, Liverpool defender and a
हाँ, मैं
Munoz
पूछा
or
था आपसे कि
Robinson.
let's say it's Mykolenko versus Arsenal defender, or
Yeah.
it's Gabriel for example, or it's Mykolenko versus Munoz against Man United. So
I
would you still
prefer
play
Mykolenko.
Mykolenko double?
Yeah.
I would
Again
not.
it's again
कोई
मतलब
attacking
अगर आप
appeal नहीं उसका, zero.
यार अब वो थोड़ा सा विंग बैक खेल रहा है. आई नो उसकी अटैकिंग अपील इतनी नहीं है, बट आई स्टिल फील लेस्टर मैच इज द वन जहां पे दे कैन कीप अ क्लीन शीट. ऐसा नहीं है कि दे कैन नॉट. तो मुझे ऐसा पर्सनली लगता है कि अगेन अगर आप दोनों के ऑड्स कंबाइन करो, दे हैव लाइक ऑलमोस्ट व्हाट 45% चांस ऑफ अ क्लीन शीट. अगेन दैट्स इन अ सिंगल गेम वीक you'd back that team to keep a clean sheet again. तो मैं आई जस्ट फील कि एवर्टन एंड अगेन हम
That's
जब
not how it
एवर्टन
works. You don't add the clean sheet odds and say कि हाँ
No,
ये
not
है.
clean sheet odds. I'm just calculating. I have the graphic on the
He's
other
saying
screen.
दोनों में से एक गेम में clean sheet आने का
हाँ,
percentage
अच्छा,
है.
yeah.
that's what you do.
Yeah.
And
So,
I think that I agree with Rakshit कि I'm not very bullish on Everton either. But then क्या होता है कि अभी Leicester home feels like a very attractive game, and I
New
think
manager
Leicester will
bounce
score.
कर ले
But
रहा है.
then you have to take the chance कि अगर clean sheet आ गई,
Exactly.
and the Merseyside derby over the recent years has been very cagey and low scoring. But that was with Klopp and that was with Sean Dyche. We have 2 different managers here. I'm not sure Moyes is capable of setting up the team that defensively like a Dyche. So I don't think it should be that low scoring. But then history है और 4.5 का defender मिल रहा है या 5 का keeper मिल रहा है. So people are hoping to get lucky. I would say on paper ज़्यादा potential नहीं लग रहा. But then if you get lucky, extreme scenarios 2 clean sheets. more realistic scenarios, no clean sheets. So I think people are trying to tap into variance.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all I'll call
Exactly.
it. If मेरे हिसाब से तो I would say कि if you have let's say an Everton defender, then play him. But getting in Mikolenko for let's say Robinson, I'm not very sure about that. Pickford and all, it's okay. You can get अगर आपका free transfer है, अगर आपको अपना एक कीपर बेच के Pickford लाना है, no problem, because Pickford you can hold. बट अगर आप अपना ट्रांसफर एक एवर्टन डिफेंडर मिकोलेंको टाइप पे वेस्ट कर रहे हो, दैट इज समथिंग जो मैं तो फेवर में हूं एटलीस्ट पर्सनली. मनन, एनी अदर फिक्सचर्स हु व्हिच स्ट्राइक टू यू जहां पे गोल्स दिख रहे हैं? ब्रेंटफोर्ड, स्पर्स, चेल्सी, वेस्ट हैम.
चेल्सी वेस्ट हैम इज इंटरेस्टिंग. आई थिंक बहुत ज्यादा है. आई थिंक ऑड्स 2.5 है. चेल्सी इतना अच्छा खेल नहीं रहे जितने ऑड्स ये. आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट इतने ज्यादा. आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग लाइक अ 2.1 और 2.2. सो आई एम रियली सरप्राइज्ड टू सी दैट. वी ऑल हैव पाल्मर. आई थिंक अगर किसी के पास निकोलस जैक्सन है अभी भी, तो आई थिंक दे शुड होल्ड नाउ. आई थिंक दिस गेम इज गुड फॉर हिम. Are you surprised, Rakshit, to see Newcastle 2 goals, considering Fulham are also a team जो थोड़ा सा defensively solid है?
Yeah, Newcastle at home, I think against any team probably is above 1.6, 1.7 anyways. I'm still surprised, more surprised than the Chelsea one, because West Ham have one fit centre back. Villa really shit the bed in that match, and West Ham के पास defender ही नहीं है ना, उन्हें defending आती है. So this could easily be a match जहाँ पे Chelsea 3 goal score कर सकती है.
Chelsea के पास भी striker नहीं है.
That's the thing. Yeah, they do create chances though. Last match में भी मतलब मेरे ख्याल से they should have scored a couple of goals minimum against Man City, and I wouldn't be surprised let's say Chelsea 3 goal score करती है, but कौन करेगा goal score? वही है. Arsenal City में no attacking assets, maybe not a good match for them, so probably like a low scoring match. Manan, would you, if you had let's say Munoz and a Gabriel, अगर आपको एक खिलाना होगा तो क्या खिलाओगे आप दोनों में से?
Oof, that's a tricky one. I'd still go Munoz. I'll just, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है United are also shit while going forward. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है वहाँ clean sheet. I can see that match to as a 0-0 sort of, and again Munoz बहुत attacking player भी है. City ने थोड़ा सा एक run थोड़ा सा बनाया है अपना, जिसमें they are scoring goals आराम से. I think they look comfortable, although first half में नहीं किया था Club Brugge के, but I still feel कि I'd go Munoz. But the real question I have for you is कि let's say, if you can see यहाँ पे an Ipswich defender, let's say Greaves, right, has a more clean sheet chance का prospect than an Arsenal or a let's say a Crystal Palace Munoz. Would you be tempted against Southampton, Rakshit? Like, let's say अगर किसी के पास Greaves है, like he scored a goal obviously, I think he should start over let's say any Robinson or a Munoz. And what's your opinion on that, Rakshit?
मैं तो दोनों में नो बोलूंगा. फर्स्टली आई एम बैकिंग अ साउथहैम्पटन विन, एंड सेकेंडली जो रूमर्स आ रहे हैं कि ग्रीव्स विल बी ड्रॉप्ड, बिकॉज जब से ग्रीव स्टार्ट कर रहा है देव कंसीडर्ड लाइक सम 16 goals in like 3 matches or something.
Okay.
And although he scored a random header, that does not mean कि he's a good defender.
Yeah.
So मैंने तो रूमर सुने हैं Burgess might be back, and I also will back a Southampton win. So absolutely don't even think about it.
Fair. Bade sab, anything that you in particular जो आपको I think you should cover this, like what's your thinking on the Rakshit on the assistant managership? And
I will come to that, but एक था कि if we can go back to the previous slide, we are all bullish on Palace's chances, but odds के हिसाब से 19% chance of a clean sheet और Arsenal का 29%, काफी difference लग रहा है. What do you think? You think United is scoring, or you think that the odds are biased against?
I would actually disagree with Manan, and I would also choose Munoz, but for his attacking potential, not for his defensive.
Yeah, but I just feel clean sheet के chance भी हैं. I think so. I don't think
so, because I have that real dilemma. I have 2 Arsenal defenders and Munoz, and I have to start 2 of them. So currently I'm on Gabriel and Munoz, benching Timber.
Yeah, that's the right way to go, I think.
But I'm tempted to play Timber because I can't see. मुझे feeling आ रही है कि Arsenal's going to park the bus.
They will. So, I guess they'll be.
That is like the high risk approach, but yeah, I'll not be surprised if none of the teams keep a clean sheet also.
I don't rate Arsenal defense again इतना जितना आप लोग करते हो. तो मेरे हिसाब से I'm pretty confident City will score. Personally, I think all 4 teams will concede in these matches. United, Palace, Arsenal, City. I think everyone will score. I've seen enough from City to see कि defensively they are suspect. But attack-wise, मुझे लगता है especially with the new reinforcements coming in, Marmoush looked really good in the last match. City got through in the Champions League. They're on थोड़ा बहुत high also. मुझे लगता है कि good enough to at least score in
They
that.
will be tired.
And Arsenal
थोड़ा.
defense is not the same as last time. It's not the same.
Actually, that is, I would say the data is pretty similar compared
Yeah,
to
the
last
data
season,
is-
but then they've not kept that many clean sheets. So, us basis पे results wise, they've not been similar. But the data is not very far off. It's like 0.5, 0.6.
0.4 से they are conceding every game. Yeah.
Yeah, so they're giving you goals from low XGC, but then हाँ अगर eventually clean sheets नहीं आ रहे तो फिर there's no point having double defense.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the Ashmanship. Manan, let's say लोगों को नहीं खेलना triple captain. Would you say this is like a decent time to play an Ashmanship on, let's
Yeah,
say,
I'll be
Arne
more.
Slot or a
जो
Moyes?
जो भाटिया साहब ने मेंशन किया था, let's say, you know, I think on Friday, क्योंकि Tottenham plays आज, and if they qualify their like top 8 का spot, then there is a chance we get a provisional announcement that Tottenham and Fulham might double in game week 25, and if that happens, I think मुझे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा अपील है again, because then you can play it on Moyes. I'm considering थोड़ा सा on Moyes or even Arne Slot, but सबके पास 3 Liverpool है. They'll have to take a hit to take one Liverpool out and then play it on Arne Slot. But these are just the projections, let's say, you know, projected again basically with odds से जो projected goals है and clean sheet percent है उससे calculate होके. And I just feel अगर मुझे Arne Slot से projected में 14 दिख रहा है, Moyes से 11, then I might play on Moyes and get that थोड़ा सा risk approach वाला thing. Maybe play on Moyes and get a bonus fixture against Liverpool, and then अगर वो double announce हो जाता है in 25, अगर होता है, if Tottenham manage to beat Liverpool, then I'll play it on Fulham manager, right? And then they'll get a bonus match against I think Forest. So
Forest
I yeah, and I like it थोड़ा ज़्यादा assistant manager की थोड़ी सी मुझे अपील ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. But if we don't get a provisional just double का announcement for 25, I think I'm not thinking about playing the assistant managership.
So Manan, you don't have your triple captain, and let's say provisional double announce हो जाता है. So what percentage chance is there that you will activate your Ashmanship?
That's a very good question actually, because even if they announce the provisional thing, na, I in the right mind I cannot think about Tottenham beating Liverpool. That's the thing, right? Because it will also depend on that. अगर Tottenham Liverpool को हरा देती है, if they go through to the final, then वो होगा, right? So again, do you guys see in any scenario where Tottenham is beating Liverpool in that for the second leg?
No.
Exactly,
Not
right?
at
So
Anfield.
yeah, not at Anfield, exactly. So even if it get announced provisional, I'm gonna say 30% I'm likely to play the Ashmanship and 70% I'm not.
Ashmanship मुझे लगता है कि ओके ऑप्शन होगा अगर ये हो जाता है, बट आई स्टिल फील देयर विल बी बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. यू हैव टू बी वेरी श्योर एसमैन के लिए ना, यू हैव टू बैक योरसेल्फ. तो मेरे लिए तो आई वांट टू यूज द चिप थोड़ा अग्रेसिवली व्हेन एंड ऑफ द सीजन में आई गेट अ सेंस कि सम टीम इज ऑन द अप, सम टीम्स जो ऊपर है इन द टेबल दे आर ऑन द बीच फॉर एग्जांपल, और मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा स्कोप लग रहा है ऑफ गेटिंग लाइक बोनस विंस. बट अगर आपने बोला कि लेट्स से फुलम फॉरेस्ट वाला सीन है, राइट, एंड मैं इतना श्योर नहीं हूँ कि फुलम फॉरेस्ट को हरा देगी. दिस इज जस्ट अ ब्लिप, राइट. अगर लेट्स से मुझे एक पैटर्न दिखता है कि हाँ फॉरेस्ट आर एक्चुअली गोइंग डाउन या फिर फॉरेस्ट का थोड़ा रिग्रेशन हो रहा है, then maybe that's a separate conversation, but it is too soon. I think Forest are a team जो I will back कि वो maybe finish in the top 4 end of the season. So मैं इतना श्योर नहीं हूँ based on the fact कि I don't trust the teams जिनके ऊपर मैं खेलना चाहूँगा. I don't trust the managers. Like मैं एवर्टन पे ही इतना बुलिश नहीं हूँ जितना लेट्स से लोग हैं. मैं फुलम पे इतना बुलिश नहीं होऊंगा फॉर एग्जांपल. So मेरा तो मेन रीजन है, that's why. And I want to wait and watch थोड़ा how it plays
Don't you
out.
think if let's say there's a chance of you if you're getting 5 fixtures again, ये end of the season में होगा ही नहीं. This is not possible unless कुछ कोई like you know unfortunate event हो जाए या weather condition. But I think कि अगर let's say if I'm getting 5 fixtures off of it, then मुझे थोड़ी सी उसकी अपील हल्की सी बढ़ जाती है, because then even if the manager draw again, it's all about bonus. अगर आप 3 let's say 5 fixtures में आप 2 bonus ट्राई कर रहे हो, 2 sort of fixtures थोड़े से आप जिसमें एक आधा में बैंक कर सकते हो, 2 थोड़े डिफिकल्ट है. आई स्टिल फील इट्स वर्थ कंसीडरिंग एटलीस्ट.
यार एक तो आपको अपने टीम में बजट निकालना पड़ेगा, आपको प्लेयर बेचना पड़ेगा लिवरपूल का, देन आपको फिर अपना मैनेजर एक ट्रांसफर वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा मैनेजर स्विच करने के लिए. एंड आई एग्री कि डबल है, आई एग्री कि डबल है, बट अगेन आई एम नॉट इवन श्योर कि वो डबल वर्थ इट है या नहीं फॉर दोज मैनेजर्स इटसेल्फ. सो अगेन मुझे लगता है कि 4 फिक्सचर्स इज गुड इनफ. 4 गुड टारगेटेड फिक्सचर्स विद गुड रिसर्च एंड गुड फीलिंग मेरे हिसाब से इज गुड इनफ. अगर आप एक एक्स्ट्रा फिक्सचर लिवरपूल जैसे इज अ फिक्सचर जिसको मैं मतलब कितने पॉइंट्स ले लेगी, राइट? तो मुझे लगता है कि दैट इज व्हाई इतना मुझे वो
Everton,
नहीं
I still feel Everton
feel
can get a draw. I know it's difficult, but if they get a draw, then it's a huge
I
score.
think you have. I think you. Let me go to your prediction. You have backed a 2-0 Liverpool win,
I
which
have.
means that
I'm
Everton
not
get
saying.
absolutely nothing from this
I'm
match.
just saying,
Not
but
from
you
clean
have to
sheets, not
chance
from
it.
points, and not from goals
No,
also.
but if you have, but you have to chance it. Na again, it's all about getting those 5 fixtures and then get. मतलब आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसा नहीं. I'm not saying this is a prediction जो मैंने सोची, but if I'm playing Asman, I'm just hoping for a Everton with that. That is where where things
No,
change.
you should not. You should not predict something and then hope for something else. I think
No,
you have
no,
to
no.
back your
I
prediction.
still feel again. I
You have to
still
back
feel
yourself.
I still feel there's an appeal to it, but again, just one last thing is कि let's say if you are activating S-manship, जब आप manager select कर रहे हो, don't play with it क्योंकि once you select the manager, you can't change it. Then it will require a transfer even before the deadline. तो एक बार अगर आप select कर रहे हो, then select the manager जिसके साथ आप you want to play the S-manship. Because once you select it, then you for it to change, you'll need to use a transfer. So be very careful about it because वो बजट वगैरह में से निकल रहा है. आई थिंक FPL सर्वर्स को हम ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं. So that is why they've done this thing कि आप एक बार जो चूज कर लो, that's it. You can't change it. Otherwise, it'll require a hit or a transfer. Yeah.
Who do Fulham play? 25 में अगर डबल हुआ टॉटनहम का दूसरा मैच क्या है?
Forest and Tottenham.
Forest both
Forest
Fulham
and
at home.
Tottenham.
Yeah, both at home, I think.
पर टॉटनहम वाला गेम बोनस नहीं है. फॉरेस्ट वाला गेम में बोनस
Forest वाला game bonus है. Yeah.
Interesting.
आई थिंक
Bhatti साहब,
अगर प्रोविजनल
your
अनाउंस
thoughts?
होता है, या अगर
Yeah.
प्रोविजनल अनाउंस होता है, यू हैव टू कंसिडर इट फॉर श्योर. You
Exactly.
may
Yeah.
still decide not to play it, but you have to consider it. I have two issues with it. Very tempted अगर announce होता है तो might play it, but two issues. Firstly, I don't believe Spurs can beat Liverpool at Anfield. तो अगर provisionally भी announce होता है, it has to have Spurs beating them and going through the League Cup final for the double game week to materialize, which I think is quite tricky. And secondly, I actually like the Fulham fixtures in 25 for the managerial bonus as well, because I think they'll easily get a draw versus Forest, if not beat them. तो draw भी मिला तो काफी है. And the issue is with this week. I'm not convinced Everton are definitely beating Leicester for sure, because bonus नहीं है वो game में. And there is no point playing on slot because you're losing one Liverpool outfield player. तो अगर slot के आप 15 point expected देख रहे हो, आप Gakpo, Alisson, Van Dijk, you're expecting 8 points at least from there. One return either way, a clean sheet or a goal. So you're losing out on that just to have slot. So slot is not worth it अगर आप attacking assistant manager बात कर रहे हो. And issue with Moyes is again Everton are not reliable. So अगर Leicester वाला game, if you're convinced कि they are definitely winning it, I would still say go ahead with it because you're getting like about 10 points for that. और Liverpool के साथ कुछ भी मिला तो bonus है. I think you're best hoping for a draw in that Liverpool game, which is still unlikely. So these two issues, I think, are the main reasons why I might not do it. But अगर professional होता है, you definitely have to think about it because the opportunity to have 5 games, I think it's too good to pass up without consideration.
Also इसके साथ ना, let's say if you are activating an S-man chip अभी, right? Then what you're doing is you're using the triple captaincy chip in, let's say, another double. Then again, you also have to calculate वहाँ पे the fixtures might be better for, let's say, Mo Salah or a Haaland or a Palmer.
I think
that also you have to keep in
Liverpool
mind.
Leicester fixture है 33 में, if I'm not wrong.
33 में one is the Liverpool Leicester fixture again. तो आपको वो भी consider करना पड़ेगा. It's not just about activating in this game week आप triple captain कर लो ऐसे. But again, the permutation and combination of then using the triple captaincy in 33, which appeals to me the more than this game.
Also, another I agree with that, but then उस approach का एक कौन है कि 33 में you expect Liverpool to be involved in Europe, big games रहेगी, so
100%.
They might have already wrapped up the league, seeing how the league is going. So it could be that first team gets rested in one of the games. वो हो सकता है. You may not have Salah in the same form that he is now. Already form थोड़ा dip हो रहा है. Not the hot form that he was in the first half of the season. Last few weeks, हमने देखा है कि odd game he's blanking. So by 33, Salah may not be in the same form. So I think you have to consider all the factors, and you can only play आपके सामने अभी क्या है. You have a confirmed double. I think it's sensible to use a triple captain, but just wait for news अगर कुछ Spurs वाला match provisional announcement आता है.
Yeah, I think base your chip strategy around the Aspan chip. मैं तो बोलूँगा मतलब
Yeah,
don't even
exactly.
think of triple captain बाद में अच्छा होगा. मेरे हिसाब से तो triple captain इतना पावरफुल चिप है नहीं जिसके बारे में आपको इतना प्लान या सोचने की जरूरत है. जब आपको मौका मिले आप खेल लो. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मनन जैसे कि यू प्ले योर चिप अज्यूमिंग कि लेट्स से टॉटनहम जीत जाती है एंड अपना यूरोपा लीग राइट एंड यू अज्यूम कि हाँ वी माइट गेट अ डबल in 25 and you play your chip or Everton fuck up and उसके बाद लिवरपूल जीत जाती है.
But
Then you are like stuck.
I agree. But then you still have the 4 fixtures, right? आपको बाद में मिलेंगे, I know. But in that case,
But
what
I'm not
I'll ask,
as confident as Bhatia Saab about that Forest match.
No, I agree. But in that case, what I'll say is, कि have other manager options in place. Let's say if Fulham doesn't double, then if you can find another manager that you would want to कि you feel like कि यार इसमें let's say bonus का chance if you want to go for a bonus, right? Just have a couple of other options in mind as well. Right, so I would suggest that if let's say provisional announce hota and if you are going for it, because there's a chance that Tottenham might lose to Liverpool and we might not have the double. So again, have options in place.
Interesting है. Not really a fan of this chip, but potential for
Yeah,
swings is huge.
I hate this chip. Like
This is not an FPL chip, man. This
is a prediction, right? Getting thoda sa lucky with the result, backing a team, right? Again, thoda sa I don't like it. Yeah.
Let's see. If it works out for you, then we'll love it, of course.
Yeah, true.
Okay, so ये है हमारे predictions. Very quickly, we'll go over it. All of us are backing a Forest win at home and a clean sheet against Brighton. That means Brighton are पक्का scoring. Bournemouth versus Liverpool में the first match of the double. हमने काफी goals back करे हैं. At least 2 goals for Liverpool, which is a good sign for Salah triple captaincy. 3 goals मैंने back करे हैं. Everton मैंने Bournemouth का 1 करा है. भाटिया साहब और मनन are going for draws. Everton Leicester में me and Bhatia Saab actually backed a draw. I have gone for 2-1 Everton. Manan has gone for 1-0 Everton. I have a feeling Leicester might get a goal. Ipswich वाले में I have backed a Southampton win and बाकी दोनों ने back करा है wins for Ipswich at home. Very important match. Very crucial match. Newcastle Fulham में Newcastle win for Bhatia Saab and Manan I have backed a draw for Fulham. Wolves versus Villa में draws for me and Bhatia Saab, a lot of goals, and Manan has backed a Villa away win. United Palace में I have backed an away win for Palace, 1-1 draws for both. Brentford Tottenham 3-1 and 2-1 universally है कि Brentford फाड़ देगी Tottenham को. Arsenal Man City, me and Bhatia Saab have backed a narrow Arsenal win. Manan, 1-1 draw for you. Do you think City can get something?
Yeah, I think so. Again, usually Arsenal City match बहुत केजी होते हैं, तो I like the Bhatia साहब की 1-0 prediction as well. Arsenal are really good defensively, I still feel, again as the data shows. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि Man City can get a goal. थोड़ा सा उन्होंने अपना मोजो वापस लाए हैं. I think कि जो while they were trailing in the Champions League and then they came back and won it in an important match, थोड़ा सा confidence बढ़ेगा. And I think if they pick a result, especially in this match, I think then we will see the Man City of because I think it will be a huge result for them. But that would mean thoda Liverpool or they increase their points gap. So again, I don't want that, but I'm going for a draw. Just because
I don't see any scenario where City are winning the league. I think there are too many problems.
No, not winning the league, but at least it will be interesting if they win the match against Arsenal. At least.
I don't think so. I'll still back Arsenal to be closer competitors to Liverpool, even if Arsenal lose this match.
Yeah.
I don't trust City. City are not good, man.
Yeah.
They're not good this season. It's a fact. Whenever we think City are back, they will lose again.
Yeah, true.
Right. Chelsea, अगर वो थोड़े अच्छा खेलती in the previous match, they could have easily won that match. First half में खत्म कर सकती थी वो. कितनी सारी chances थे उनके counter के 3-on-4, 4-on-4.
Starting के 5 minutes, 10 minutes में that they could have scored. They should have scored 2 goals.
Yeah. Club Brugge could have scored 3 goals at least last night. At least. I don't know how did it not score. They're shambles by defensively. But let's see. Chelsea, West Ham, Bhatia Saab going against the odds. You feel Chelsea will score 1 goal? You think West Ham have that fight in them?
Not very confident, but based on recent form, Chelsea not very fluent. And secondly, I rate Graham Potter. I expect him to come up with something to nullify the Chelsea attack. And
former club.
former club, London derby, as well as having enough in their attack to cause Chelsea trouble. So, अगर Chelsea attacking wise potent नहीं है, तो I don't really see a clean sheet for them. West Ham have enough in their attack. So I'm just taking a punt on this game. You expect Chelsea to still win like a 2-1. I like Manan's prediction most likely to happen, I feel. But I still think there's a decent chance West Ham pull off and get something out of this.
Interesting. Everton Liverpool all backed Liverpool narrow win. Manan has backed a 2-0 win for Liverpool, and he's also asking you to play the Asmanship on David Moyes.
Yeah, I am. I still am. I still am.
Yeah,
But I gave a Everton clean sheet for the Leicester match.
Because
Don't
दोस्तों
forget
अगर आपकी रैंक अच्छी नहीं होगी तो मदन की रैंक और बढ़ेगी. So you have to keep that.
Yeah, that is the gist of this pod, no? That
Yes.
is what I've
Manan
learned
makes
from
it
you.
too
From you.
obvious.
From last 3 years, that is what I've learned from Rakshit. Ki always fool everyone. So
I've learned from Bhatia Saab, of course.
yeah, obviously that's why you two are the elite.
And you
It's
can
a
see my
food-
condition by doing that.
Okay, Bhatia Saab, this is your team for double game week. You have made your transfers?
So I have 3 free transfers and I made 2 of them. First was finally got rid of the fraud, bigger fraud than Manan Chipper called Joao Pedro. Sold him for Cody Gakpo. And the second transfer was Gordon to Justin Kluivert. Like I said, ये दोनों moves मुझे last week करने का plan था. Other option was to downgrade Gabriel to an Everton defender, but not convinced on Everton. So my only other route to get Gakpo was to free up money from Gordon. और last week करना था Kluivert के hat trick के बाद, and especially how good Bournemouth looked against Newcastle. But then Gordon had the Southampton away fixture, and I thought 2 returns are possible and would have been a big risk selling him. So didn't do that. Got stuck with Pedro, and we saw what happened. Gakpo 16-pointer, Kluivert 13-pointer. So 20 point का तो फर्क उधर ही आ गया, but it is what it is. And
I think you have started Kluivert though. Would you?
I have
No. Would you have अगर last week आप करते तो?
अमाद और
Gordon.
Kluivert में से एक होता.
Gordon के बदले Kluivert होता ना. अमाद तो नहीं खिलाता Fulham में.
Okay. Gordon की जगह Kluivert होता ना. Yeah, fair.
Bhatia Saab, considering you have 1 free transfer left, are you tempted by, let's say, Salis to Pickford?
I was, but luckily I got priced out, so now I'm not tempted for a hit. I could have even done Van Den Berg to Mikolenko start of the week, but again got priced out. I think I'm okay not going.
You can also do Timber to Mikolenko, because I think, by the way, I'll tell you why. Because from now till game week 29, 28, you're playing Trent, Gabriel and Munoz every week. Even if you have Robinson, you're not going to play Robinson over Munoz any week, right? I have Robinson in that scenario. So there is no need of 4th defender, so you can hide him and you can play him in 29 if you want to. Again, it's.
I mean,
that's the
it's a
appeal.
fair suggestion. It's a fair suggestion, but I'm not sure I'm going to play Munoz every week. This week also, I was debating between Timber and Munoz, and just going for the safe option of having one Arsenal and one City, one Palace defender. Munoz, I think United will score, but assist potential काफी अच्छा है, especially in this sort of game. So. आगे you have a couple of weeks where you can bench a Palace defender as well. Or Everton के other than 29, right? You don't really have a great fixture. And I'm not convinced personally कि Leicester के against clean sheet आएगी. अगर आप convinced हो, I think then it's a very good option. It could easily be just 2 or 3 points for an Everton defender. It could very easily happen. So boning a transfer just to get a double game week player, it could be a 12-pointer also. So I mean, variance potential काफी high, but I don't think I'm going there. I have free transfer. Could maybe look to do Wood out next week if Visa is still at Brentford.
Are you not tempted in this week, because मेरा वो transfer I'm going to talk about it. Are you not थोड़ा सा tempted about Wood to Visa this week, considering this is the entry point, I feel, Tottenham match again. You're back.
I have everyone
A lot of people are thinking कि Visa might leave in the window. Yeah.
So I'm waiting to see what happens there. Even Spurs are, by the way, interested in Visa. So it could be that he goes to Spurs. And secondly, I have Mbeumo already, so I have some attacking coverage. और मुझे ये लगता है कि this is a good game for Forest. People are underestimating Forest after one bad result. Brighton are not as good as Bournemouth, not at all. And Forest are at home. I'll not be surprised if Forest end up scoring 2 or even 3 in this game if they turn up. और Wood का एक return expect कर सकते हो आप. तो it's not the game to sell Wood, I feel. That is why I'm keeping him. और अगर provisional double होता है, then all bets are off. Then you have to change your plan completely. So I think वो एक free transfer तो भी काम आ सकता है.
Yeah, same.
I have one question. Would you start Timber ahead of Munoz? No, right?
No chance.
I won't. And I know
I
Rakshit
think
will probably he'll
I
die,
think
but
Munoz has a good chance to score also, not only assist in
yeah,
this
I
match.
agree.
Yeah.
I agree. You have not activated your triple captain, Batu sab, yet.
Not yet. Waiting for that fixture provisional. अगर announcement होता है तो, अगर नहीं होता है तो
But
95%
you can
I
cancel
will.
triple captainship, by the way, if you do
Yeah,
activate.
I've not done that.
Mm.
I will most likely activate it just before the deadline because I think double है तो खेल लो and hope to get lucky.
Fair.
Looks solid, what is up? Looks solid.
Yeah.
Mana, this is your team. Fairly similar, apart from the fact that you have Morgan Rogers.
Yeah,
And that's about it. It's almost the same otherwise.
yeah, because I've done one transfer. I had two transfers. I had done
Yep.
Gordon to
Rogers
Mbomo
for
already.
Clivert and it's exactly the same.
It's exact
It's
same
exactly
thing.
the same team. It's
Yeah.
exactly the same team.
You're
Yeah.
muted. You're on mute.
Wow.
Yeah.
Who's unmuted?
नहीं चोपड़ा साहब was उनकी आवाज
No,
नहीं
I could
Oh.
hear him. No, but I think yeah, it's the exact same with and I am doing Rogers to Clivert next week. So Bhatia sahab, I think we'll climb together, right? But
or fall
Climb
together.
Fall together, bro.
we'll always hope for the best. Yeah, talk positive. But I think
I'm hoping for the
really,
best. That's what I'm saying. We'll fall together.
I'm really tempted. I'm really tempted for buy Wood to Visa this week. But as Bhatia sahab mentioned कि next week let's say अगर provisional announce हो गए then Jimenez could be an interesting option for the double. थोड़े से options और open हो जाते हैं. That's why I'm gonna keep one transfer. I don't have the triple captaincy, so next 3 weeks at least जितना डैमेज लिमिटेशन हो सके आई थिंक उतना आई एम गोना बी हैप्पी विद लेट्स से 300k रैंक आफ्टर गेम वीक 27 आई एम रियली गोना बी हैप्पी बिकॉज़ बहुत सारे चिप्स इन प्ले हैं एंड या आई एम नॉट टेम्प्टेड बाय एनीथिंग एल्स सार वर्सेस रॉजर्स बट आई थिंक कल जो हैट्रिक मारी रॉजर्स ने आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टार्ट रॉजर्स या
Manan, what were your transfers this week?
oh just Gordon to Mbomo and I'm rolling
And
the
how
other
many-
one.
Acha, you had two frees.
Yeah, I had two frees and I'm gonna roll. And next week I'm gonna do Wood to Visa if Visa stays, and provisional announcement and Rogers to Clivert or I can do Clivert, yeah. So I'll do most likely Clivert.
I see you're bullish on an Everton clean sheet. You're not getting an Everton defender or Pickford.
Yeah, it's just about rolling one transfer ना जो 25 में अगर let's say double announce हो गया, right? डबल अनाउंस हो गया तो मुझे ऐसा
भाई
है
तुम जो लोगों को बोल रहे हो करने के लिए वो तुम खुद नहीं कर रहे हो.
नहीं, but I have a reason ना. I have a reason. You're not.
तो रीजन क्या रीजन है? You're not even backing
because
yourself.
I want a free transfer. Let's say because अगर फुलम और टॉटनम का मैच अनाउंस होता है then I have just Robinson and अगर मैं वो मिकोलेंको वाला ट्रांसफर करूंगा that will be for the Robinson. I have 0.0 in the bank. I'm not okay in removing a Fulham defender जिसका 5% चांस है of doubling in game week 25, right?
No, you get like sells to Pickford.
But-
खत्म.
But you get 100% chance of double right now. No? अगर Robinson
Yeah.
No, but
निकाल दो तो 5%.
no. But that is not how
No,
it
why
works.
can't you
na.
do sells to
I
Pickford?
am
You can
more
do sells to
bullish on a
Pickford.
Fulham double than an Everton double, na?
Sells to
Again.
Pickford.
Sells to Pickford is I'm not sure it's a good move because Pickford ka from game week 30 to 35 he has Arsenal, Man City, Newcastle, Chelsea
That
and
is
Liverpool.
too far away. Man.
But
That is
aren't
too
you like
far away.
wildcarding?
उसके लिए आप
When
wild
are you
card
planning
No,
to wildcard?
I'm gonna most likely wildcard in game week 35. So again,
And then
तुमने इतना
that's
सोच
how-
भी लिया भाई अपना सीजन के बारे में?
मैं तो
35 में वाइल्ड कार्ड करना है. फ्री हिट
that
कब
is
कर रहे
what
हो?
I'm that is
नेक्स्ट
why
सीजन ट्रिपल कैप्टन कब कर रहे हो?
most likely game week 4 Haaland versus Southampton. नहीं Southampton तो होगा नहीं उस टाइम
Southampton.
पे.
अच्छा
Haaland versus
ऑलरेडी
Leeds.
फिक्सचर्स भी आ गए नेक्स्ट सीजन के लिए.
Yeah.
कार्टेल वालों की तो
कार्टेल ना कार्टेल वालों के आए थे.
Arsenal वाले को सब पता है. No,
ऑलरेडी मिल गए.
Rashid, but
We are
that is
trying
why
to figure out this season. Manan has sorted for next 2 seasons.
that is
Yeah,
why I'm
yeah,
doing
difference
good
है
this
यार.
season because I've planned in my at least
Don't you feel कि you like too stuck in your head with respect to your chips कि मेरे
no,
को
I
definitely
think
wild card
I
करना
think
है.
that is how I like to play my FPL against season.
But
So
don't you
I
think you should be like a
always
bit more flexible?
no, I am flexible. I'm just saying I'm not gonna remove a Fulham defender before they can double.
I'm not
That's
even
a
asking to you or
basic
remove a
obvious
Fulham defender. I'm asking you to remove Sells and get Pickford because you're so bullish on an Everton
No,
clean
but
sheet.
then if you look from now till game week 29, Sells also has a fixture in game week 29. Okay, he's playing
But attack
Ipswich.
the doubles now. You never know.
No, but again, I don't want to. Using a transfer on goalkeeper is not as appealing as using it on an attacker or let's say on a defender. Again, and if I
But honestly, I feel
Yeah.
it's better to get Pickford than an Everton defender because save points.
Mikolenko का
Yeah, I
potential
still
ज्यादा है Pickford से. I don't agree.
no,
Mikolenko
I'm
didn't.
not
I think
saying.
zero
I'm just
attacking
saying
returns,
because you
man.
can hide him. You can hide him again. Pickford, you'll have to start every week. Obviously, that's okay. But
By the
then
way-
again, game week
By
30,
the way,
I'll have to
Forest
use
के
the transfer
fixtures,
order.
Forest के fixtures after this week भी देख लो.
But
काफी
then
tricky.
but Forest have proven this season that they can, let's say, pick home pay results
That's
again.
exactly what I'm saying. Everton's a trap. That is my entire point.
हाँ, but sir, okay.
We both
so
are saying that we don't trust
remember
her.
Rakshit, last to last season we had the Watford double, right?
Yeah.
Dennis and did you go Dennis and Pedro? Yes, you did for double.
Yeah, because I was
yeah.
convinced, nah. But you
Yeah,
are convinced
again,
and not even backing yourself.
No, but I'm
You are
saying
convinced
it's not
Everton
a
is
bad
good and you're
option.
not backing yourself.
Rakshit, be flexible. Be flexible in your thinking. Be open to thinking. हाँ, Everton अगर एक डिफेंडर लाएंगे तो that's not a back. Be flexible, Rakshit.
मैं तो कह ही रहा हूँ. If you are backing, that's what I'm saying.
If
If
I had
people
two
are
free transfers,
confident,
no.
if people are confident in Everton, you get Everton. मैं तो कह ही रहा हूँ. Problem is you are confident कि Everton might do something and still not backing yourself.
Okay, you have
क्योंकि
just
आपने
said
लोगों को
one
बोला
thing.
है
You have,
कि
no, wait.
मैं
You
मिकोलेंको
have
भी ले
just
लो,
said
आप
one thing.
पिकफोर्ड भी ले लो और आप एसमैन भी यूज कर लो. बट हाँ, मैं अपना फ्री ट्रांसफर यूज नहीं करूंगा. To get
Rakshit,
in a
that is
Everton
where
defender.
you and me differ, where I explore every possibility and you are just in your head thinking about one thing, that Arsenal defense is the worst defense in the league. That is
I
where
don't even know
you are
what you're
stuck.
saying right now. I
That
think
is-
you've lost the point.
That
I
is
think you've
it. And
lost the point.
Bhatia Saab knows what I'm talking about. So,
But
let's
yeah,
I think
you know,
go
we
to
should do this in every pod. We should question each other's team. बहुत मजा आता है.
No, obviously, that's the best way to play it. Yeah. Let's
Okay,
go to
fine.
Rakshit, who is the
This,
winning
this is my
winning
wonderful
left.
team. This is my wonderful
Imagine
team.
Bhatia Saab Rakshit has activated the triple captaincy. And he has not talked about it. That's how he plays.
I have one question here. I can see you have double Liverpool defense. Why not get a Everton defender, make it hat-trick or defenders having double defense?
Yeah, Rakshit, why are you not doing it? Why are you not?
Because
It will look so good.
Because simple reason है कि I will back my belief. I'm okay if people want to go with Everton. But मैं ये नहीं आपको बोलूंगा कि oh my god Everton are so good and आप लो और खुद को back नहीं कर रहा मैं फिर. Unlike
I'm
me.
not suggesting take Everton for hit or something. Again, I'm just saying chance it if you want to. That's all you can say in a double. Like chance it if you want to. I don't mind it. I'm not saying
that is exactly
go
what I'm
against
saying
Everton.
also. That is exactly what I'm
But
saying
then
also.
you
But
are making me sound like
I'm backing
कि
my
I'm not-
words.
I've said कि भाई
I'm
Everton
backing my
defenders
words.
ले लो.
I'm backing my words. I'm
Fucking
backing my
eat your
words.
words, man. Yeah, just go on with your team.
Okay, so Mera move will be the same, unfortunately, as Maran. Gordon
Obviously.
to Mbuemo is what I'm targeting for my free transfer because I want to be the best manager and I want to copy the best manager who is Maran Chipper. Sorry, Bhatia Saab.
At last.
So I'll get
No, but
Gordon to
Indian
Mbuemo.
Bhatia Saab team same है almost, so it's fine. He takes his
Bhatia Saab is also
copying
copying you,
it,
ना?
Obviously.
We're all copying you. अगर आप एवर्टन डिफेंडर लाते तो मैं अभी सेल्फ से पिकफोर्ड कर देता सर.
मैं हिट ले लेता पिकफोर्ड के लिए यार.
एक सेकंड. Let's all do self.
मैं दो ले आता. आप एक ले आओ, मैं दो ले आऊंगा. आप मिकोलेंको ले आओ, मैं पिकफोर्ड मिकोलेंको दोनों ले आऊंगा. चलो टारकोव्स्की पे ले आओ.
If you give
easily
me
get,
that in writing and if you're doing it, I'm gonna do it. Let's.
I can easily get Burgess to Mikolenko. Easily.
I think in your case I would and play more.
Absolutely no chance.
Rakshit, are you considering Mateta to a NDI? I think you were very high on him. He's on
That is
penalties.
actually a transfer जो मैं सोच रहा था, but I am bullish on Palace. मुझे लगता है not only in this match but if in the near future. Again they had a bad week against Brentford, but again Mateta was very very good. Again Mateta looked the most likely on penalties etc. I think Palace can have a decent result against United. ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड पे मुझे लगता है यूनाइटेड थोड़ा सा और मुझे लगता है अवे फ्रॉम होम थोड़ा फ्री होके और खेलती है थोड़ा सा ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड पे देयर इज अ प्रेशर ऑन यूनाइटेड टू विन मैचेस तो वो समटाइम्स वर्क्स अगेंस्ट देम आई थिंक एमोरिम आल्सो मेंशन्ड कि प्लेयर्स फाइंड थोड़ा प्रेशर हो रहा है जब व्हेनेवर दे प्ले एट ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड एनीवेज गॉर्डन टू एम्बोमो इज मोस्ट लाइकली माय मूव एंड उसके अलावा मैं आप दोनों से पूछूंगा क्लाइवर्ट और रॉजर्स मनन हु वुड यू प्ले भाटिया साहब हु वुड यू प्ले
रॉजर्स आई एम गोना गो रॉजर्स अगेन एक जो मुझे सॉरी जस्ट मेरा रीजनिंग ये कि क्लाइवर्ट को ना भी लेस ऑब्वियसली ही इज द मैन इन फॉर्म बट ही इज गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेसेस टू शूट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द बॉक्स लिवरपूल आर नॉट गोना अलाउ हिम टू उतना कि आप यू नो जस्ट बचीड़ो हमारे गोल पे राइट So I just feel ki again he's on penalties. Obviously a great option. I don't mind if you start, but I like Rogers more.
What is up?
Yeah, Champions League hat trick ke pehle I would have said Kluivert, but I think after the hat trick it's very difficult not to play Rogers. Both could end up being just 2-pointers this week. Zyada nahi hai, but Kluivert has the potential of penalties. That is for sure an advantage. I think Rogers has the form and the easier fixture.
I think both of you back 2 goals for Villa and
I'm starting
Bournemouth.
Kluivert. I'm starting
Right,
Kluivert.
so it's very tricky actually because I'm slightly towards Kluivert actually, because although I've given 1 goal to Bournemouth, but penalties is the clincher. Also, I feel कि थोड़ा Villa का वो बहुत, I know it was a brilliant result. Rogers scored a hat trick, but it also took a lot out of them energy wise.
Yeah.
And it was a big result for them. Villa finishing in the top 8. And जब भी Villa Champions League में खेली है, it has been difficult the next match for them in the Premier League. So Wolves are anyways not a bad team. मुझे लगता है अपने home पे, and I think it's a derby also of some sort, a Black Country derby or something.
Midland derby.
So yeah, Midland derby, right? So I think this will be a tricky match for Villa. It's not that easy. और मुझे लगता है थोड़ा fatigue might be a factor because it's a Wednesday night, Saturday turnaround also. So currently, मुझे लगता है goal projections wise दोनों मुझे लगता है कि sort of similar score करेंगे, probably 1 or 2 goals. Might just go for the guy with the pens.
Simple
Yeah,
है.
that's a fair point.
जिसको bench करोगे आपको regret नहीं होगा, उसको bench करो. Like if you bench Kluivert and he scores, will you regret that more, or if you bench Rogers and he scores?
I think Rakshit will regret Rogers all more. I think.
Not really. I think I'll regret benching Kluivert again, despite what
fair.
I'm seeing in front of my eyes.
Then start Kluivert. Easy.
Then start Kluivert. I
Probably.
think the fair point is one has penalties and one has not. Again, that again
And
is,
also Kluivert ruining my double clean sheet will be something जो मैं stomach नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So I probably अगर खाना ही है तो अपने प्लेयर से खा लो.
But then don't you think
you know what happens, right? You know what happens if you start Kluivert. So
Dango Ouattara hat trick.
Kluivert will not be involved.
Dango Ouattara hat trick, Semenyo 3 assists, and Liverpool concede 2-3.
But Rakshit, you are that sort of a manager जो अपना attacker अपने defender के against try करता है ये नहीं खिला. Again, I've seen you doing that in the past. So again,
would you bench Mateta and play both?
No.
I would say to avoid this situation, you can sell Van Dijk for an Everton defender. Easy solution.
No, you can just do Burgess to Mikolenko and play him over Rogers. Go 4 defenders.
What I'll do is कि I'll use my all-out attack chip and I'll play all 8 attackers. क्योंकि मेरा दोस्त FPL कार्टेल में है, तो मेरे को वो I think इस चिप को ऑप्शनलिटी दे देगा इस पर्टिकुलर सीजन में. Yeah, I don't know.
Nice.
I just know for sure कि whatever decision I'll make will be the wrong one.
And Rakshit,
one more question.
Yeah, go for it.
आप पूछ लो.
I was just going to ask about the triple captaincy. Like, you know, what percentage would you give to would you triple captain or not on Salah?
I think अगर double नहीं announce होता है 25 में तो almost 100% now. मेरे लिए again clincher was the rest. All these guys got the entire team. That I think is pretty big. So मुझे लगता है I see Liverpool scoring 4 over the next 2 matches. So probably go triple captain Salah. I'm 100% not using Asman in whatever scenario.
Even if the double is announced?
Yeah, no chance. I'm not gonna remove a Liverpool player and not get Mbuemo, get Slot or a Moyes or whatever. Not happening.
No, that's fair.
That's not
Too much change required. And my question was, like Manan, have you also decided game week 36 bench boost? And
I'm gonna
actually Rakshit, I can guarantee you now that Rakshit is gonna bench boost in 36.
I have no idea मुझे कौन से double
Rakshit doesn't even know कि अभी वो आधे घंटे में क्या करेगा. He's not.
I have no strategy for 29 also.
Yeah.
He doesn't know what he's having for dinner.
I have no idea. I don't even know who I am. Who are you guys? What?
Yeah, I agree. I don't know why Rakshit is. वो भी एक question है मेरा कि why is he like this?
Chalo, I'll go smoke some crack now and we'll wrap up this
and dream of Catino and what? Who? Cutter and.
And अगर आप चाहते दोस्तों कि कैटिनो को खाना मिल जाए रात को तो हमारा चैनल का मेंबरशिप जरूर ज्वाइन करिएगा ताकि आप सपोर्ट कर सके और एक मासूम बिल्ली को जिंदा रख सके. So if you're interested for some additional content, make sure
sell
you check out our membership.
All of these things.
Okay दोस्तों, great pod. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you all the best Bhatia Saab. And that's about it. All the best to everyone except Manan. And जाने से
As
पहले make
always.
sure you do like the stream. That is very important.
please,
And
please,
do comment
please.
कि आपके dilemmas क्या हैं. Who are your three Liverpool? Are you triple captaining Salah or not? क्या आपके transfer dilemmas हैं? We'll make sure Manan answers all of them in the
और
comments.
एक और चीज कमेंट करना, हम तीनों में से किसके ओपिनियन से अग्री करते हो? अगर आप मनन के ओपिनियन से अग्री करते हो वो भी कमेंट करो। अगर हम दोनों
And फिर
के
ये भी बताना मनन के ओपिनियन से एग्री करके, are you bringing Everton players or not?
हाँ, ये भी
It's
कमेंट करना।
important. Yeah.
Okay, guys. All the best, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Yes, guys. Bye.
Cheers guys.